Hello? Hello? This is my drone. This is my transmitter. These are my goggles. There's my backpack. Those are my Cheez-Its. This is the desert and the White Canyon. And this is me. What do you think? Good enough? Good enough for something? Should I or shouldn't I? I've got my drone here, but it is not behaving nicely. Every time I put it into a loiter or return to launch mode so I can get it back safely, it behaves erratically and in a very alarming manner that makes me wonder whether if I send this drone out, whether I will ever get it back. But I hiked out here a couple miles to find a good spot to fly. It's like the wind too. The wind is like 10 or 20 miles an hour. It picks up real quick and blows real hard, and then there's no, yeah, it's real unpredictable. Fuck it, right? Just not going to be out here again for who knows how long with a drone sitting out on this point by myself with a chance to fly. Something that works mostly. I mean, come on, is it really a question? I guess there's really only one answer. Flew and the drone, got the drone back. So me and my drone are feeling pretty proud of ourselves. I admit with each flight I thought I was tempting fate more and more, so I didn't do quite as much as I maybe ought to have. It's so hard to figure out where the line is. I didn't use all my packs, my battery packs, but maybe I'll come out here again next time when it's not quite so windy and have a little bit more bugs worked out and go again. But you know, the footage, it might be okay. I mean, it might not be too bad and not too shaky. We'll see. Wind might make things a little. Well, done flying. Not done hiking. This is an exceptional IPA. Highly recommended.